Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to block someone in Element Messenger step by step. Blocking a user helps you avoid unwanted messages and interactions, giving you more control over your messaging experience. So let's get started. First, open the Element Messenger app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your Matrix account. Once you're on the home screen, open the direct chat with the person you want to block. Next, click or tap the person's profile or contact name at the top of the conversation to open their profile information. Depending on your version of Element, you may also need to open the More or three-dot menu to view additional options. Now, look for the Block User, Ignore User, or a similar option. Select it, then confirm your choice if a confirmation message appears. After the user is blocked, you won't receive new direct messages from them, and their interactions may be limited depending on your home server and room settings. If you later decide to unblock the person, return to your privacy, security, or ignored users settings and remove them from the blocked or ignored users list. The exact steps may vary depending on the version of Element and your Matrix home server. Finally, if someone is sending abusive or inappropriate content, consider reporting them to the room administrator or home server administrator if reporting tools are available. And that's it. You now know how to block someone in Element Messenger and take control of your privacy and messaging experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next